Hello YouTube, this is the Florida Dividend Investor. I'm actually making a quick video to give you guys an update of what is happening right now in my portfolio. So if we do a broad look, you guys are gonna see that I'm basically down for the day at 1.27%. Nothing crazy, really not worried at all. For the life of the portfolio, we're almost up 7%. But the market has been kind of choppy. The last couple of days, it has gone up. So you figure. But how they say, when the market goes down, that's the time to buy. And that's what we're going to look at. I did purchase earlier couple of shares of QQQY. So my portfolio right now sits at almost 17 shares. I'm down about $12 in total returns. But as you guys can see, the dividends are about to come in, $13.88 in dividends. So I'm actually almost can buy a full share just with the dividends alone. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm also getting dividends on one share of STAG. I'm getting 12 cents, nothing major. Now, as far as a yearly income, you guys can see I'm up at $247 with 32 cents in annual dividends with my portfolio of $700. So, and of course, especially with QQQY, they may scale back on the dividend. The first dividend they pay out was $1.13, I think it was. Now the second month paying $1. So it really depends. But monthly income about $20. For the year, $247 with 32 cents. Now let's take a quick look at SPY, because that's usually how people gauge the gauge the market. But for the day, SPY is up about 1.14%. The market kind of dipped a little bit in the morning because of all the numbers were coming out basically for unemployment, and apparently those numbers are up. So in other words, the economy added less jobs that they were intended, or the people were thinking. That's why it has been it did drop a little bit in the morning, but nothing crazy. Now, one very cool tool that I would like to show with you guys is when you're gonna do a search. So let me go back. So let's say you're gonna do the Spyglass, right? One thing that is very good about Robinhood, which I like, is you can always click on stocks that are on the 52-week low and update. This updates frequently throughout the day because, of course, prices change throughout the day. Now, you definitely want to pay attention, but you also want to be very, very careful whenever looking at stocks that are hitting 52-week. And the reason for that is because they're down, they're severely depreciated because of a reason. So now it could be bad news for management. It could be bad guidance. There's so many different reasons, but you want to be careful. But at the same time, you can find good opportunities, good buying opportunities. And that's one thing I look at. So give you a quick example. Let's say we look at, just for the sake of it, let's say we click on Cano Health. One thing that you also are going to notice here, let me kind of use the pencil here, but if you guys look at there, you guys are going to notice that it says that this stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. What does that mean? Well, that means that basically many people are either selling or many people are buying. Now, for the year, this is up 182%. That's actually insane. But for the past year, for the past 5 years, it's down almost 2%. But basically, what you want to do is you want to pay attention to stocks like that. Now, what happened here? I don't have no clue. But look at this, guys. This stock, it could be potentially considered a red flag, obviously. You don't get a stock that is at $378 and it just completely drops to almost $10 a share. So what happened with this? I mean, that's something that you guys are gonna have to do research and find out why. But that's not good. That's really, really bad. So that's something that you gotta pay attention. Now, Warren Buffett one time called it that you want to invest in companies that basically nobody wants. But at the same time, it's also things that you have to look at. Look at the financials. Are the financials good? Are they making money? Are they saving money? Do they have a good cash flow? Good cash reserve? You know, all those things are very, very important whenever you decide to invest in any company that you want to invest. Now, if all those things check out, the company is making money, it's forecasted to keep growing, and it's at the 52-week low. Now, sometimes the market does overreact with certain companies, so that's something you got to look into. But if it is, like in this particular case, this went down all the way from $378. This is one of the things that you got to pay attention. Now, why? Why is it so low? I mean, I'll be honest with you. This is probably a stock that I will look into it, but I probably wouldn't invest depending on why. Because it's just too much negativity, and it has dropped drastically for a reason. And that's what you guys, before investing, you guys gotta pay attention and do your own research to find out why. And again, those basically some of the things that I do to find stocks to invest on. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. I wanted to show you a quick update again on my portfolio, and we're up to $734 roughly now. So we'll keep putting money in. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and any questions, put them in the comment section below. Have a good day.